Grandpa opens the gate. He is very happy to see the children. What fun things will they do on the farm today? The children feed the chickens. The goat is hungry too. But where did little Buddy suddenly run off to?
Oh! Buddy is not here.
The children feel very worried. Did Buddy run into the big, dark forest?
The family walks into the forest.
Buddy!
They call Buddy's name. What will they find deep inside the forest? The old bridge shakes. The family holds on very tightly. Will they cross the bridge safely to the other side?
But Grandpa, the falls trail is this way. But the meadow has butterflies.
Falls are way better. Let's see which path the puppy wants to take. They find an old, hidden barn. Something is glowing inside. Could Buddy be hiding somewhere inside this barn? Buddy is stuck in the well! Grandpa quickly finds a rope. Can they pull little Buddy safely back up?
Buddy is safe now. The children hug him very tightly. How will the family celebrate this happy moment? The family watches the sunset together, safe and happy. Every day on the farm brings a new, wonderful story.